Yeah, yeah. Hi guys. Good morning, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, guys, just before going to the discussion, so just let me discuss. Let me just tell you some few points, guys. Uh, I think hope all of you have got the access to the drive. This is your drive access, guys. So the name of the folder is going to be this is going to be the name of your folder. It is going to be, what is the name of the folder, guys? This one, guys. Vamshishar Power BI 9:30 a.m. on 22nd January. So this is the folder that has been got. We have. I think you have been got checked. So let me talk about the videos, guys, because yeah, first of all, let me tell you about the materials what I have been got uploaded. So you can see just now, guys, just before currently I'm working on that only. So I just joined lately. So just now I have uploaded some data sets. Apart from that, I have also uploaded some soft copy materials and some other data sets also I have been got uploaded, guys. See there. First thing is data sets, guys, because without having a data sets, you can't work with them, isn't it? So data sets. So the folder data sets contains all the whatever the files that generally I'm going to use it in the classroom. I have uploaded all these files, guys. Like you can see, like used cars, wine quality, insurance data set, a credit data set, a churn data sets, district wise data sets are there, and some other data sets like messy data sets. So I'll check it out. I think some data sets, yeah, messy data was there. Medals by countries, different types of, just a minute once, let me rename it. So like that, I have some different data sets uploaded. So remaining data sets also, whenever I use any data sets, I will upload those particular data sets also. I can upload it. I think around somewhere around 25 data sets I have been uploaded into this folder, guys. You can download these data sets, guys. You can download all these data sets except recordings. You can download the remaining things. Recordings you can't download. I can download I have the option to download it because I'm an editor here, so I have the permissions. You don't have the permissions to download the recordings, guys. Okay, except the recordings remaining, you can download them, guys. Okay, first one is data sets. And
Sir,
even, yeah,
sir,
yes.
yesterday I missed the class. Which recording
Yeah,
for yesterday?
you will be having the recording. See, session 16, it is going to
Yes.
be 15/02/2024.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, I'll explain that particular videos also. I think some people are getting confused with these folders, what we can see. I'll explain that particular concept also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is going to be the data sets, guys. This is the data sets we can do. You can download them. Even this cars also is a data sets only, guys. It's a set of, that means the data sets which are going to be related. Today, I'm going to use these data sets only, guys. Okay, today I'm going to use the data sets, related data sets, because we are discussing about the merging of the data, merging the queries. So with the help of these data sets only, I'm going to explain the today's example. So apart from that, there are some other data sets are also there, which is going to be some kind of a hotels data set. It is also data sets only, guys. So hotels, cars, like that, I will upload some different folders. They are going to be some, I can mix up with these data sets also, but these data sets all related to some various hotels in various locations. So we do some case study on that. Cars data set is going to be one case study. Like that, for every example, I'm going to different data set, I'm going to load it. These are generalized data sets, guys. These are all some kind of a generalized data sets. Works on a different domains like cars data set, students data set, weather data sets, online store customers data set, insurance data set, some kind of a generalized data sets to understand the concept. And apart from that, I also have loaded some materials, guys. Some PDF files I have been got uploaded. So these are going to be some PDF files, guys. So currently, whatever we have discussed, we can start from here, guys. A Power BI document 1.pdf file. So this is going to be the PDF file, guys, like how to install the software. Okay, all this, the introduction part and all these things, it is going to be available here, guys. Okay, and absolutely, we have started some merging of the concepts, right? So it is going to be, you can see that, just a minute once. It is going to be the document 2 is there. Currently, we are in the document 2, guys. Whatever the currently we are doing that is going to be currently, it is going to be in the, just a minute, spelling mistake. Just a minute, guys. it is going to be document 2, guys. So currently we have started like what is going to be how to enter the data. Okay, what are going to be the transforming of data? What are the different options we are currently discussing? So currently we have started from here only, right? So I told you some of the options you have to leave it up to man parameters, you can leave it. And here only from here only we have started the options, guys. Like which is going to be choosing the rows, filtering the particular rows. So how to work with them. So here we have been got started here. So leave them, all these things we need not to apply them. So from here, we can start with an application, guys. Okay. So what are the applications here now? So these are going to be the options, guys. Go to columns, remove other columns. So we have done all these application now, guys. So keep errors. These are going to be nothing but related to rows and all these things we are going to be discussing. Sorting we have been discussed. Actually, splitting we have not yet discussed about that. Splitting and group by we have not yet discussed about them, guys. So these are the options that are going to be available. So which we can see the application. Group by I have not yet discussed about that. So data type we have been discussed. Using the first row as the header, using the first row as the header, how to use them, and use the header as the first row, how to work on them. And these are the options, guys. And we have started with the merge queries. The merge queries are going to be there in the document 3, guys. So merge queries we have been got started. So left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti. Currently we are in the discussion, guys, right? So this is going to be the one which we can see the application, what we can see. Already explained you, right? What is meaning of left outer join? Only the portion of left table. Right outer join, only the portion of the right table. Full outer join, both of them. Inner join, only the common values. What is left outer join? Only the portion of left table without having the right. Right outer join, only the portion of the right without having the left, guys. So how to do the joining and all these things, all that examples are going to be available here. It's only for understanding the concept. These are going to be there. You can follow all these, whatever the materials. Apart from that, there are going to be some downloaded files are there. Even we can also get some kind of an applications. Mainly, it is going to be how to work with the Power Query. Currently, we have started with this, isn't it? Mainly, it is going to be concentrates on the Power Query, guys. In Power Query is nothing but where we can transform the data. All these things we are going to be working, and some kind of a textbooks also, guys. So it is going to be a professional Power BI architecture. It is only related to architectural part, guys. It's not mandatory because we are going to be learning mostly about the development part. This is going to be apart from the administration part. Later we are going to see, guys. Not right now. This we are not going to discuss right now, guys. This is completely related to Power BI service, not related to our Power BI desktop. So it is going to be how to work with the administration part and all these things. That is going to be as part of this particular book, guys. Okay. So it is going to be Power BI apps is going to be there. How to work with them, publishing and all these things. We can see that particular complete the concept of security. All these things are going to be available here, guys. These are going to be advanced concepts like premium edition, how to work with them. All these things are going to be different cases. Okay. So these are going to be some of the things which are related to the architecture, deployment, publishing. Those are the related books it is going to be, guys. Okay. So these are going to be the books materials I have been uploaded. And apart from that, even there are going to be some kind of an, we generally conduct like a day-wise, generally not for you, your sessions are not like that. It is going to be some kind of an corporate level training we are going to conduct, right? So 15 days training only. They will have only 15 days training only, but for yourself it is not like that. It is going to be something like a day wise. We are going to be having some kind of an MCQs, so you can just verify, guys, like simple. First you can start with them, all questions and answers we are going to be having, guys. Simple questions only. I'm not having any very complex questions and all these things. We don't have it here now. Okay, simple MCQ based questions only, like day 1, day 2, day 3. You can find out some kind of a questions, you can find it off, guys. Right now it is not required. First concentrate on the classroom only. After that, that means after half of the portion completed, then you can concentrate on all these additional things, guys. Okay, just recording is sufficient. Whatever the recording you are getting, those are going to be sufficient. As well as subtopic wise, there are some questions are there. So each and every topic wise also you can find some kind of a questions, guys. So later, because we are still in the beginning concept only, so no need to worry about all these things. So just a few examples like simple questions. So we can find out some kind of a questions, you can find it off, guys. Later, you cannot study directly all of them at a time, right? Currently, you are still in the very beginning level only, you are there, guys. So that's why just it is going to be the beginning level, like what is going to be Power BI desktop, what is Power BI online service, okay, what is business intelligence, okay, just a little bit ideas, whatever you know, what is going to be, what is data visualization. We know that it is going to be a process of taking the raw formatted data into which is going to be a graphical kind of representation. Just don't by heart the definitions, guys. Don't by heart them. Understand them. That's it. Okay. So how to add the shape map to visualization? It is currently not yet done. We're not yet done, guys. What is shape map? We don't know that. That's why don't touch these questions as of now. Because we currently you can't answer all these particular questions. That's why leave it for the timing. Later we are going to study those particular concepts. So these are the whatever the materials data sets I have been uploaded. These are the materials, guys. Now coming to the videos, guys, there is no need of worry about that. You can start from this particular session, guys. 22, you can start with them. What are these sessions, guys? These are going to be some previous, that means actually this batch was started a little bit before when it has been started, guys. It is going to be on the, which is going to be, we have taken some demo sessions, guys. So those demo sessions is going to be these. There are 3 demo sessions are there. Those related demo sessions are there. Even 10:30 a.m. also 4 demo sessions. You need not to follow them, guys. You can follow these things directly. Starting from here, you can just explore them, guys. Okay. So you need not to worry about all these sessions. So meanwhile, so if you can see some sessions are missing, guys. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, maybe 28th is on holiday, 29th, 30, 31. But if you can see, first 2 with 5th class are going to be gets missing, guys. Where is that particular classes will be there? Those classes are going to be available here now. So 8 to 12, the classes are here like that, because I have taken some demos on that day. So those particular demo classes are going to be here, guys. See there, first, second, and 5th classes are here now. So don't get confused. There are going to be demo sessions, guys. There are going to be some demo sessions. See there, from 31st to the 5th classes were not yet available, guys. Where is that particular the 31st to which is going to be 1st to 5th? So those classes are going to be available in the other folder. We can see, guys, at 9:30 a.m. you can find that particular classes. Maybe 3rd and 4th we don't have a class. So after that we are having the 5th. Even 10:30 a.m. we have taken a parallel class. So don't worry, 8, 9, 10, 12. These are going to be parallel classes. Some people are shifted from 10:30 a.m. to which is going to be this one. So don't worry, follow these particular classes, guys, continuously. That is sufficient. Remaining is not required for you. Okay. So latest class is going to be from here, guys. 15, 14, 13, 12, 9th, 8th. And these are going to be from here. We can follow those particular sessions. Okay. So repeated classes will be there because some classes I have already taken previously. Some classes we have taken. So don't worry, we can continue the particular classes, right? So whatever the folders you can see, guys, they are the demo classes. And these are going to be the regular classes what we have taken, guys. Okay. So follow them. That is going to be sufficient, guys. Right, all of you? Anybody, guys, any questions based on this? Do you have any questions, guys? Understood here? Already the folders, the files are already there here, guys. And you can see the sequence of numbers are there. Session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4. Let me open the session 1, guys. Just let me open the session 1. So let me show you, guys, what is there in the session 1. Let me show you the application. The first introduction class, right? So what is Power BI? Why do you require data visualizations? Who requires the data visualization skills? Like that, whatever we have discussed on the first class, those particular classes are available, guys. Right, guys, this is my first class. Whatever I have taken, the first class, the first session is going to be there. So follow in the same order. Wherever the classes are missing, actually on the after 31st, we don't have some few classes. Where is these classes? Again, I have taken the demo on that day. 9:30 a.m. you can see the demo. Again, what is on the first? Again, there is going to be the demo will be there. Because I've taken multiple demos we have taken. So don't worry about that. You can just continue the sessions as it is. We can continue, guys. Again, on this day, again, the first session will be repeated. What is Power BI? Again, that particular session is going to be repeated here, guys. Okay. So this is going to be the first class, the first introduction class, what I have taken. Same thing I have been taken, guys. So no need to go to these folders. Follow these folders only, guys. These files, sequence 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Follow these particular sessions only, guys. Right, all of you? Anybody, guys? Any questions on this? Okay. So uploaded all the materials and all these things, guys. Download the data sets and all these things. If you have any concerns, we have a group is there. So just message me in the group. If you require any additional things, I'm going to upload it or I'm going to share it in the drive directly, guys. Okay. So that's it going to be about this particular concept. So download them, guys. Later also we can download. It's not necessary for us as of now. Just follow my classes, guys. Okay. So let us continue, guys. Let us start with our today's discussion. So let me open the yesterday's example. I'll open it, guys. So what is the example yesterday we have discussed, guys? Joining the data, merging the data sets, how to merge them, we have discussed in the yesterday's class. And yesterday I have merged the data sets by entering the data manually from my side, guys. So hope all of you have got an idea how to import the data sets, how to enter the data. Two ways we can create it. Not only two ways, there are multiple ways are there, guys. So hope you observe carefully. Sometimes we are importing the data. Sometimes we are entering the data manually, guys. And yesterday we created one new query. How I created the new query, guys? By merging the data frames or by merging the two different queries, I created a new query. I have been got created. Go to transform data because I am not working with anything there. I created one separate folder for merging concepts, guys. So for merging, I have created some separate folders I created, guys. Students one and courses table. These are the two tables which we have inserted, guys. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is my students one table, guys, and this is my courses table. I have created this query not by manually entering the data. These two I entered the data, guys. Manually, I have entered the data into these two tables, guys. But how I got this table? By merging these particular two queries. By using an inner join, I have been got this query, guys. This is left outer. This is right outer. This is full outer. What is meaning of left anti-join? Left anti-join means the record which is present in the left table, but not present in the right table. See, the 10 record, which is going to be the course of 105. That 105 was not available on the courses table. Right anti-join, it is going to be the course called as 104, which is not having any student in the students table. Like that, it is left anti, right anti. Left anti is right anti is generally we don't use them, but mostly we are going to be using left outer, right outer, full outer, and inner joins. These are the mainly the 4 joins which we can apply, guys. And see there, you can edit it. How did you got this table? Students 1, edit the source, guys. How you got this data? I have got this data by entering the data, guys. Manually, we can edit the data also now. If you want, you can edit the data, guys. You can add the data. You can remove some rows. We can modify the rows. Anything you can do that. Again, if you want, you can add up some extra record, guys. 11. For example, some name XYZ. Something like what is a course 106, for example. 106 and fees is going to be 7,000. But actually 106 fees is the course is not at all available there, isn't it? So 106 course is not at all available in the courses table. So that's why whenever I do the inner join, we don't get any information about that 105 and 106. But when I apply the left outer join, I'll get the information about 105 and I'll get 106 record. When I applied the left anti-join, previously we got only one record. Now you see 2 records. So automatically data changes, automatically results also changes, guys. How did you got this data, guys? This data we have got it by merging this particular 2 data sets, guys. Like that, we can just merge this particular 2 data sets. And what we did is, guys, we have created one new query we have been created. So merging the queries into a new query. So that is the option what we have it, guys. Merge queries. I told you what is meaning of merge queries, guys. It is something like A equal to A plus B. That means you are adding the value of A and B, and the result again you are reflecting, again assigning back to A. So previous value of A will be replaced by A plus B. That is what we can call it as merge queries. What is meaning of merge queries as a new? It is something like C equal to A plus B. That means you are not disturbing the value of A, you are not changing the value of B. We are assigning completely to a new variable called as C variable. Like that, it is going to be what we can call it as merge queries as a new queries. Okay. Now today what I'm going to do now, guys, to make you understand the concept, because our data sets are very, very small data sets. So let me do some examples for today's class, guys. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a new query. A new group I'm going to create it, guys. Just to make you understand, I'm adding something called as, let me give some names properly, guys. Cars underscore merge. I'm going to use a data set which is going to be related to cars data set, and I'm going to merge the data sets, guys. Now see there, I already uploaded the data set to the drive, guys. I already shown you the data set. Cars data set folder is there. In the cars folder, we already have the data sets, guys. I'll show you the data set from my side. This is your location. There you can see the cars data set, guys. See, guys, some CSV files are there and some XLX files are going to be there. I don't require all the files. 2 or 3 files I'll import it. And after that, I'm going to join them and I'm going to show you the data. I want to import this particular data, guys. Cars underscore sales underscore transactions. I already shared the data set with you. You can download the data set, guys. New query from where we have to get. It is from text or a CSV file. Cars data set, cars underscore sales underscore transactions. See the data, guys. I will download one by one, guys. Okay, so let me show you the data set first of all. It is going to be some data related to something relevant to the car sales data, guys. It is going to be some data which is going to be the cars, which is going to be sales data set. So it is going to be sales ID 1, 2, 3, name. These are going to be the names of the cars. What is the year of manufacturing, and what is going to be the selling price? How many kilometers it has been got used. But if you see city code CT01, but what is that CT01? Where is that particular CT01 is there? We don't know. That CT01 is there in another table, guys. Which state it belongs to? ST15, ST25, ST11, some state codes are there. Same as it is, we are having some postal codes are there. Okay, what is the fuel type? Diesel. What is the seller type? Individual. What is going to be transmission? Manual transmission. Who is the owner? First owner, second owner, third owner, etc. And what is the mileage? How many miles per 1 kilometer? 23.4 kilometers per liter. Engine, what is going to be capacity? What is the maximum power? Number of seats, and all this data was there, guys. This is the data what we are having, guys. Now try to understand carefully, guys. Okay, this is all the whatever the sales data was there. But whether the car has been sold or whether the car has been not sold, what is the current status of the car? That information is not available here, guys. You are having the information only about the car's information. But what is the status? Whether the car has been sold or the car has been not yet sold. Where is that information is there? That information is available in another table called as, which is going to be sales underscore status is there, guys. Open the sales underscore status table. Open the, which is going to be sales underscore status table, guys. See, guys, sales ID is there. Okay, 1. What is going to be sold? Y. Y stands for sold is S, and N stands for which is going to be no. Don't think that all of them are Y only, guys. Some of them are Y, some of them are going to be N. Now, what is our requirement here is, I want to know whether this car has been sold or not. I want to know that. So where is that information is there? It is available in another table called as, right click, and I'm going to create a new query. I'm going to do it, guys. From where I'm getting again a text or a CSV file. What is the sales status is there? Click on open, guys. See the data, guys. So the relevant data is there. So here the sales ID is there. Check it out. Sales ID 1, sales ID 1, currently status is sold. Sales ID 2, sales ID 2, currently sold is going to be Y. Y means S. Load the data, guys. Load the data, guys. So see the concept, guys. The complete car information is there in the cars underscore, car underscore, sales underscore transaction. We are having the cars details. Whereas it's sales, that means it's sales status. Whether the car was sold or whether car was not sold, that information is available in another table called as, which is going to be sales underscore status, guys. Now what I want to do now, I want to merge these particular two queries, guys. Why? Because cars information is there in one table and the sale information is going to be sales status is there in another table. So if you want to do some analysis, I want to know, for example, which type of, let us say that, which type of the fuel type is there. Which type of, which is going to be the, how many of the fuel type petrol has been sold and how many types of the petrol has been not sold. So the fuel type is there in one table. Here the fuel type is there. So here the fuel type is there. Whereas whenever we are talking about the fuel type is here. Whereas the sales status is available in another table. So if you want to analyze both we have to merge the queries, guys. Now what I am going to do now, very easy and very simple. Now what I am going to do, guys, I don't want to disturb any one of the existing table. So merge the queries as a new table, guys. Now what I am going to do now, what is the name of the table? It is going to be cars underscore sales underscore transaction. And here it is going to be sale underscore status table, guys. And it is very clearly visible. This sales ID and this sales ID, both of them are going to be matching, guys. See, guys, perfectly how many records are there? 7,900 records, 7,906 records. Of 7,906 records are matching. And it is a one-to-one relationship, guys. It is not one-to-many or not many-to-one, because the sale ID 1 will have only one record, sale ID 1 here now. We don't have the same sale ID 1 for multiple times. It is purely one-to-one relationship is there. So we can apply an inner join. You can apply an inner join, guys. See, perfectly it is showing you, guys. 7,906 records of 7,906 from the first table. From second table also, it is 7,906 of 7,906. So totally there are 7,906 records are there. Every record is matching the data, guys. There is no need of left outer, right outer joins are not required as of now. Why? Because perfectly it is one-to-one matching and there is no other left outer, right outers are not available. Both the tables exactly 7,906 and exactly 7,906. Exactly there are matching, guys. Click on OK. We are going to create like a new table. We are creating it, guys. So what is the new table name? Rename it, guys. I want to rename the table, which is going to be nothing but I said, which is going to be cars underscore, which is going to be or cars underscore sales table. Now, if we can see, guys, there is some columns we are going to be having there at the last. So there, as usually we know that, right? Sale status will be there. So expand it. I don't want the sale ID because sale ID is already available in the beginning. So I want to get only the status called as a sold. Do you want to prefix with any table name, prefix it? Otherwise, leave it, guys. Otherwise, what will happen? It is going to be sale underscore status dot sold will come. Simply click on OK. You are going to get the column called as sold. Got the point, guys? Just we added up the column, but don't think that simply we appended. We have appended by using something called as an sale ID, and sale ID has to match. So here we have a sale ID is there, and there also we have a sales ID is there. Both of them we have been got matched. Edit this source once again if you want. See there, guys. This sales ID and this sales ID we have completely matched. I selected means it is matching. For example, if I selected something like this, guys, name and sale ID does not match us at all. See, OK button was not enabled at all. So what we can see that select the columns of the same type, either it must be number or a text or etc. to continue it. But you have to match it correctly, guys. Sale ID and sale ID. For example, if a match with year and sale ID, joining will be done. I'm not saying that joining cannot be done, but what happens now? Your year and sale ID may matches, may not matches, guys, because sale ID 2014 may be there. What my point? Why? Because we have 7,906 records are there. So automatically what happens, we know that. So there is going to be some matching data may be there. It will be done, but that is not a proper matching, guys. That is not going to be a proper matching at all. Why? Because we are joining the order, which is going to be the year of manufacturing, and with the sale ID, we are going to be matching the data. So which is not a correct procedure, guys. That's why what we are going to be doing here is edit this. Okay, edit this, and we have to merge the which is going to be sales ID and this particular sales ID. If you observe carefully here, how many records are going to be matching, guys? We are matching something like year and which is going to be something like sales ID. So what may matches, guys? The same years are going to be matches, but wrong results will come. See there, 7,900 records, 7,900 records are matching, but how many records are matching from the left table? There are only 27 records only that are matching, guys. See there, it is showing you only 27 records only it is matching. Why? Because the same year may not be matches with all the data. Every sale ID may not matches with the year data, and that too is not a correct one. If you select the sale ID, then perfectly it is doing that. So click on OK. So we are going to get this particular data. We are going to be getting it, guys. So expand the table, and what we have to, I think already we expanded here now. Just expand the table. We are going to get what is the current status of them. What is the current status of them and how many records we have got. We have got totally 7,000, which is going to be 906 records we have got it, guys. Okay, so this is the way how basically we can merge the data. Okay, one joining is over, guys. But let us say that I want to know from which country, which city these particular, or from which state this particular sales has been done. Some of them has been done in Hyderabad, some of them has been done in Mumbai, some of them has been done in Chennai, some of them has been done in Bangalore. It's like an cars which is going to be nowadays the what we can call it as pre-owned cars, used car sales, guys. The cars with the companies which are going to sell the pre-owned cars. In US, it was a very huge business. Now, even in India also, it is very highly expanding, isn't it? So many corporates has came into the whatever the used cars, the pre-owned car sales. So many corporate companies has came into this particular the business here now. US, it is a very huge business. Okay, now from which state or which city this particular sales has been done, I want to get the data. CT01. But what is that particular CT01? That information is available in another data set, guys. So there we are having another file is there. We are having something called as, which is going to be ctmaster.csv file is there. Two files are available, guys. I think it is going to be one file is sufficient. I think maybe manually I have imported the extra. So one is going to be ctmaster.csv file is there. ctmaster XLS file is there, guys. Whichever you require it. Let me open the ctmaster.xlsx file, guys. So what is that CT01 stands for? CT01 stands for it is Mumbai. CT02 stands for it is going to be Pune. Or CT which is going to be something like 26 times for Aurangabad. So there are going to be having some locations in almost all 29 different cities they have it, guys. 29 cities they have it. Totally there are 29 cities are there. So we want to match up this particular data. Then what you have to do, again import another data set. I am importing the Excel workbook, guys. It is ctmaster. Which is going to be XLSX file. ctmaster.xlsx file I am going to be importing is, guys. You hope you understand, guys. Why? Because all my cities data is available in a, which is going to be this particular data, guys. Okay. Now try to understand carefully, guys. I imported the data. Okay, fine. Now what I want to do now, guys, I want to merge the car sales transactions and the sheet one, because it is, if for example, if you want, you can write some kind of a name instead of writing sheet one, you give some proper name, guys. No problem. Rename it. So it is going to be nothing but I say city underscore, which is going to be master. Something like some city data, it is going to be there. City underscore master. Now I want to merge these two data frames. But already the car sales transaction and sales status already we have merged and already kept it in the cars underscore sales. Now see what I'm going to do now, guys. I don't want to create a new table now, because already by joining these two tables, we already created this table. Now what I want to do, I want to join this table and this table, and I don't want to again create a new table. This table only should be affected with that. That's why what I'm going to do is, without creating any new table, first time I created a new table, guys. But this time what I'm going to do is car sales. I'm going to be using the option called as an merge queries. Why? Because already I have joined the tables, guys. See there. You know that it is going to be car sales transactions and this is going to be the car sales status. Both we already joined. Now within the table only, we have to add the city date also. So what I am going to do now, guys, it is going to be city underscore master. So what is the name? Observe carefully, guys. Column names are not properly formed, guys. Column names are not properly formed. You know what we have to do now. Actually, column names are not properly formed by the city master. Then what you have to do? Anybody, guys? What is the option we have to use, guys, now? Anyone, guys? The column names are not properly formed. Here is a column name. You have to take this as a column name. So what do you have to use?
Use first row as header.
Yes, absolutely. Use first row as the headers. We have to use it, guys. Otherwise, joining is not going to take place properly. Now you can perform the joining, guys. Now table was changed. Now what we can do now? Select the car sales, and I'm going to use the select the car sales table, guys. And then I'm saying merge queries. What is this merge queries will do now? it is going to be the car sales table, which is already a joint table. It is actually not a table, guys. It is not a created table. It was a merger table. And then what I'm going to do is, where is the table, guys? It is going to be city master. Now select the city code and select the city code, guys.
Vamsi, I have a doubt here.
Yeah.
So here we are joining the tables based on a single condition, right? So based on single column condition.
Yes.
If there is a scenario that we need to join the tables based on multi-column, multi-condition, then is it possible to do that?
Yes, absolutely. Select the second column. So city code. So it is going to be control plus click, multiple columns. Okay. City code, state code, multiple columns. See there, you are getting a numbers. 1 and 2 is the numbers what you are getting it.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Right. Fine. So that's it. So deselect it once. Just a minute once. Yeah. Now see, once again, city code, just select it, select another column, automatically it is getting deselected. So city code and city code. See guys, if you want to really do the joining based on multiple columns, here we are having the control plus select. It is going to be, actually there is a 2 columns are there here now, city code and state code. Both of them are matching here. See CT01, CT15. C2, if you take CT02, if you verify the CT02 or something, or CT21, CT21 and state 27, CT12 and state 28. We can join it, but it's not required. One is going to be sufficient, guys. So let me select this particular column. I join this particular 2 tables. See there, city code and city code again perfectly. 7,906 records are merging, and again I'm applying the inner join only. So both 7,906 records, and here also 29 out of 29 is matching. There are totally 29 cities are there. All the 29 cities, there was a sales is there, and every transaction that has been done is done within the 29 cities only it was done. There is no extra cities are there, and there is no extra cars are there. So perfectly it is matching. So click on OK. But what you are doing here is, we are not creating a new query here. Your existing query only will be added with this. Again, we have to expand the table, expand it. But what you require, you don't require the city code. I just require the city name only. I require it. So you can see the required. Like this, guys, we can just merge any kind of a data sets we can do. So I have merged this particular city code. I got this, guys. What is city? CT08. For example, if you see what is CT08, if you want, sorry, 28. If you want to confirm, you can confirm it, guys. It is going to be belonging to Ranchi. Verify. City, which is going to be 28, guys. Can you see? It is going to be Ranchi, and state code is going to be ST11 is going to be the state code. Is state code is matching here now? Let me check it out here. His state code is going to be ST11. It has to match, guys. Perfectly it is matching, guys. SCT28, and which is going to be ST11 is going to be matching here now. So what is this ST11? Which state it belongs to? There are some different states are there. I want to find out the state code. Where is the state code information was there? That is available in another table called as, which is going to be statemaster.xlsx file. So we have to again import that particular file. What I'm going to do now, right click and simply import the new query, Excel workbook. It is going to be state master. I'm going to be selecting, open it. So we have a very few states are there. Cities are 29, and number of which is going to be states, guys. So here I think we have got 36 states are there. But in every state you may not have every state we may not have the sales here now. Some states may be there, some states may not be there, guys. Here also, if you can observe carefully, header was not formed properly. Header was not formed properly, guys. See there, import the data, header was not formed properly. Again, the same technique, which we are going to say that, which is going to be header as the, which is going to be, first row as the headers, guys. Now again, the same technique. I want to rename it this. This is going to be nothing but what I'm going to say that it is going to be something like I select it as an state master. I'm going to select it now. Now again, select the car sales table. Again, I want to merge the queries. I don't want to create a new query. I want to merge it into existing query. See there, already this table has been a merging of 3 tables. It is car sales transaction, what is the sales status, and what is the city master. Now we are going to be joining with another table called as, which is going to be state master. We are going to be combining. Here we are having a state code is there. Here we have a state code is there. ST01 stands for Andhra Pradesh, like this. And if you observe carefully, all the 7,906 records are matching. But if you see the left, for example, if I see the right outer join, because we know that every state does not have it. Total 36 states are there, but out of the 36 states, only 18 states only it was matching. That means we have seen 29 cities are there, right? 29 cities are belonging to 18 different type of states. But because some cities may be coming from same states only, it may comes, isn't it? So 18 out of the 36. It is 18 out of the 36 we are going to do that. For example, I want to know only the states where the sales has been not done. Which states the sales has been not done, I want to find it off. Then you go for which is going to be right anti-join. What is right anti-join says that? Right anti-join says that only the states data which is available in the whatever that particular table, the states table, which does not matches with any of the data with this particular table. How many are there? You can see the state excludes 18. 18 are there. So remaining 36, remaining 18 will come here. So if you want to know, just I don't want to know the total sales. Just I want to know that what cities are going to be there. I want to find it off, expand them, select all. If you can see, we are going to get the 18 data will come. See there, remaining all of them are going to be empty because we don't have any cars there. We don't have any sales. So currently these are the states where the current sales has been not yet done. Isn't it? In these sales, the sales has been not done. For example, if you want to know only the sales which has been done there, then you can select the required options. So this is the data what we have got. See there. First we have merged two tables, then again merged two tables, then third merging we have to edit now. I don't want this. I want to know the which is going to be only inner joins only I require it. I don't want the states information. Only the sales has been done only we want to find it off. See, 7,906 records of 7,906 is matching fine. But here 18 out of the 36 is matching. Why? Because only in 18 states only the sales has been done, not in all the 36 states. Click on OK. Like that, we can merge one by one, we can merge, guys. All the tables we cannot merge at the same time. We can merge only two tables at the same time, guys. Only two tables we can merge at the same time, guys. Just a second. Just a minute, guys. This merge queries, let us change it. Just let me change it, guys. So state code and state code we have been got done, and it is going to be inner join is done, and then we have to expand this. So I want only the state name only I require. I don't require the remaining information. See there, Mumbai, Aurangabad belongs to Maharashtra. Nellore belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Ranchi belongs to Jharkhand. Ranchi and Jamshedpur both belongs to Jharkhand. Patna belongs to Bihar. Noida is belong to Uttar Pradesh. Noida, Kanpur belongs to this one. Chennai, Coimbatore belongs to Tamil Nadu. Vadodara belongs to, which is going to be Gujarat. Dehradun is going to be belong to Uttarakhand. Like that, we can see all that kind of a data, what we can see with the application, guys, right? So that is going to be the data what we can see, and that is how we have been joined the data. So here totally I have been, this is one joining, guys. This is my second joining. This is my third joining. Totally, I have done 3 joins here now, but not at a time. First, I joined the data of car sales and sales status, created a new query. Now, this new query has been joined with city master and joined with the state master. Like that, I have joined the data. Even one more column is there, guys. There is something called as an postal code is also there. What is this postal code data? For that also, we are having some information is there. So postal code data is going to be there, guys. Verify the postal code data. So no need to join them because postal code, city is already there in my table. So no need to join the data, guys. Like this, we can just merge that particular tables and we can work on these applications, guys. Okay. So this is going to be all about the concept of how we can work with this application, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. Already I have shared the data sets to you. Still, I will share a lot of data sets, guys. We have a really lot of data sets are there. So I'll show you one more example, guys. In the next class, I'll show you one more example. I'm going to show you so we can work with that particular tables, guys. Okay. So first practice on these tables, guys. Yesterday, I have made you practice by entering the data manually, guys. manually we can enter the data, guys. Just look at the data. Just if you want, we can just take a screenshot of this and just enter the data manually, guys. Just take a screenshot of these two tables, guys. Take the two tables screenshot. It is not this data, you cannot insert it manually. I cannot ask you to take the screenshot of this and you enter the data. You can't enter the data here. But this data, you can enter the data, guys. Take a screenshot of this, take a screenshot of this, and just what you can do is you can enter the data manually, guys. Okay, just enter the data manually. First understand what is inner join, what is left outer, what is right outer. First understand the concept and then we can go for the implementation, guys. Okay, so that's it for the today's class. Just for today, I'll stop it here. So tomorrow, guys, tomorrow you don't have a regular class, guys. Tomorrow you are not having the regular class. So what is the class tomorrow here is not for all of them. Some people has been moved from 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. batch, guys. That means the guys who has been started from 10:30 a.m. What you guys do is just join the batch tomorrow as same link, guys. Link is 9:30 a.m. only. Link is not 9:30, guys. Link is not 10:30. So tomorrow class is, guys, let me explain you. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about, see, for 10:30 people, some topics are left over, guys. That is nothing but keep rows, remove rows, and sorting. These three options I didn't discuss in the 10 a.m. Anybody can join, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about keep rows, remove rows, and the sorting options I'm going to discuss in the tomorrow's class. If you have already done with this topic, tomorrow you need not to join, guys. If you want to join it once again. If you want to again refresh the topics. So tomorrow topic is not the continuation of the merging, guys. Tomorrow class is going to be keep rows, remove rows, and the sorting options. I'll explain it in the tomorrow's class. Because the guys who have joined at 10:30, so they didn't completed this particular topic. So tomorrow we are having the class at 10:30 a.m. guys. Because weekends I have some other classes will be there. So tomorrow you don't have a class at 9:30. So only for tomorrow, guys, not completely. So tomorrow your class timing is going to be at 10:30 a.m. guys. Okay. And it may extend, guys, maybe up to, I'll extend it up to 12 p.m. or something. I'll extend it to complete off in the tomorrow's class. But what is your link, guys? Link is as usually 9:30 a.m. link only, guys. Only for tomorrow. Remaining next class, it will be having same as it is. So link is 9:30 a.m. link, guys. As usually 9:30 a.m. link only. Whatever the link you are joining every day. But your class timing is from 10:30 a.m. to, maybe I'll extend it up to, I'll try to complete off 11:30, 1 hour I'll complete off. If it is not possible, I'll take up to 12 p.m. and I'll complete off with the tomorrow's class, guys. So 3 topics. What are the 3 topics, guys? Keep rows. There are 5 options will be there, guys. Remove rows. We are having 6 options will be there. Tomorrow I'll discuss about this particular option. And apart from that, sorting, there are 2 options are there. One is ascending and the other one is going to be descending. Okay. So these topics I'm going to take it tomorrow, guys. Anybody can join. It's not that only from 10:30 a.m. Who has already completed also, if you want to interest, you can join them. Otherwise, for tomorrow, you can skip the class. Next class will be as usually on the Monday, guys. On Monday, again, I'll continue with the merge topic. And after that, we are having the option called as an append queries. That also we'll discuss it on the Monday's class. And then we'll move to the other options, guys. Right, all of you guys? Any questions? Anyone? So please join it tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. using the link of 9:30 a.m. as usually, guys. And tomorrow the topic is not the regular class. The topic which the 10:30 a.m. people has been just lagging, only that particular topics I'll going to cover it in the tomorrow's class. Who has already completed at 9:30 a.m. if you want, you can join. Otherwise, you can skip them, guys. Not required. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, I'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow as usually, guys. Thanks all of you guys.